What's up? So, word on the street has it that you're looking for a really simple video. Cool. We can set you up. What do you mean by simple video, though? So, is this what you're looking for? Maybe it's a little shaky. Hold on. Let's fix that. I'm gonna do this finger snapping thing because I think it'll cut cool. If this is what you want, if this is what you mean by a simple video, then boom, $50. Job well done. Awesome. You don't need lights, you don't need audio, you don't need any of that stuff. That's for complicated videos. Except you notice that the audio doesn't sound great and the noise, the video's noisy. It's stable now because I have it on a light stand, but you know, my eyes are really shadowy. There's no real contrast in my face, and the background is all over the place. So lights or sound? What should we start with first? Lights or sound? Let's go with sound. All right, so we're recording with a shotgun microphone. Just a little deity. It's $80. It's about the cheapest good on-camera shotgun microphone you can get, and it isolates the noise a little bit. I think you're still hearing echo, but you're probably hearing a little less background noise, but you're still hearing that background noise because the microphone's on the camera way over there. The closer you get the microphone to your subject, the less distracting other noises you're going to have. How does this sound? Okay, I am very hot, so let's see. Let's bring this down, and all right. So we have a boom microphone, aka kind of a shotgun, but you know, you're supposed to put it on a boom. It is very directional. Watch this. Look at me talking, and wow, you can't really hear me. Well, you can, but I am not. I don't sound as good. Problem is, when you're doing a video yourself, or we're doing it to anyone, you can't have somebody come in here and hold the microphone for you. All right, let's get this out of frame. If you want to make a simple video, quote unquote, a simple video, you have to have gear that sounds, it has to sound good. It can't be distracting. So we're still on the phone. We haven't set up any lighting, and you can see that the lighting changes as I move around. Let's get the lighting. Let's pop up a key light. So we have good audio, relatively speaking. We have good lighting, relatively speaking. Video looks and sounds better, and it's simple, if you will. So we're already at just under $2,000, plus quite a bit of, even at my level of this stuff, I know a lot. Like years and years and years of practice and education and learning and experience just to get to this level, and it's not that great right here. You know what I mean? It's just not that great. But we want to make a simple video. So let's talk about cameras. Check this out. So if you want a simple video, then you got to put a lot into it. I mean, the education, the experience, the equipment, the gear. Simple videos are not simple to make. I promise you that. They look simple because of all the work that creators are putting into it. Filmmakers, cinematographers, videographers. We put a lot of work into this stuff. And I don't know what you're expecting when you say you want a simple video. I'm not trying to be condescending, I promise. It's just every time I hear the word, or every time I hear somebody ask me for a simple video, it usually means they don't want to pay anything, but they want this. They want something that looks good, that sounds good, and is marketable. But it's a lot of work. It's a lot of investing, lots and lots of money, and a lot of experience, and oftentimes it requires a decent-sized crew of people to pull off. That's just the production side of it. We're not even talking about pre-production or post-production, all the editing that you have to do, and the hard drives, and the computers, and the time, and software. If you want a simple video, definitely give me a call. I'll make you a simple video, but it's not going to be cheap. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. I think I've made my point.